Welcome back, aspiring healthcare professionals. In today's video, we'll be diving into listening Part C of the OET exam. Whether you're a nurse, doctor, or any other healthcare practitioner, mastering this section is crucial for your success. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some expert tips, tricks, and examples. So, let's get started. To excel in listening Part C, you need to be prepared and confident. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how to tackle this section. You will listen to 2 short presentations or interviews, each lasting approximately 5 minutes. These audio clips will cover medical topics relevant to your professional field. Listening Part C evaluates your comprehension skills by presenting 6 multiple-choice questions for each audio extract. Each question will have 3 options to choose from. You will have a total of 15 minutes to complete this section, and it carries a maximum of 12 marks. It's essential to manage your time effectively to answer all the questions within the given time frame. Questions start from 31 to 42. Before the audio begins, carefully read the summary provided. Pay close attention to the keywords and try to anticipate what the speaker might discuss. This will help you stay focused during the audio. Use your reading time wisely. Start by reading all the questions quickly so that you will know how the audio will be structured and you will know when the speaker is moving to the next question. Then, return to the first question and go through the answer options, A, B, and C as quickly as you can. Quickly skim through the questions associated with the audio. Highlight or underline any essential details or keywords mentioned. This will give you a clearer idea of what to listen for. When the audio begins, listen actively and attentively. Keep an ear out for the answers to the questions you skimmed earlier. Don't panic if you miss something. Stay calm and focused throughout. The speakers will use language to indicate that they're changing topics or that the next question is coming. In an interview, it could be the interviewer's question. You should recognize that the next question is coming. In a presentation, listen for signposting language means changing the topics like, "Let's move on to talk about." That brings me to my next point. "Let me tell you about." In terms of. The speaker or speakers won't use exactly the same words on the question sheet, so you need to be ready to listen for meaning and paraphrased words. Linking words can signal important information that can affect your answer choice. Some common examples include although, but, though, however, so, because. It's important to keep listening, even if you think you've heard the answer. This is because you will often hear words or ideas from all 3 options. Make sure you don't stop listening when you hear something familiar. While listening, jot down any relevant information that could help you answer the questions later. Be selective and note down key details to refer back to during the answering phase. Once the audio concludes, use your notes and the information you've gathered to answer the questions. Focus on accuracy and provide concise, direct responses. Now that you know how to approach listening Part C, let's explore some valuable tips and tricks to enhance your performance. Expose yourself to various English accents commonly heard in healthcare settings. Practice listening to different accents to train your ear and become more comfortable with diverse voices. Expand your medical vocabulary by reading healthcare-related materials, journals, and articles. This will help you understand complex medical terms and grasp the context more easily. Engage in active listening exercises regularly. Watch English movies, TV shows, or podcasts, and focus on comprehension. Try to summarize the content and identify key points to sharpen your listening skills. Take advantage of OET practice tests specifically designed for listening Part C. This will familiarize you with the format, time constraints, and types of questions you'll encounter in the actual exam. That's it for today's video, aspiring healthcare professionals. By following these strategies and practicing regularly, you'll be well prepared to tackle listening Part C of the OET exam. Remember to stay focused, actively listen for key information, and manage your time wisely. Good luck on your journey to success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow healthcare professionals. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Stay motivated and keep striving for excellence.